Welcome to our living room. This is the area where everyone comes and hangs out. It's right in front of the kitchen. It's on our first floor. Everyone's here, always hanging out. And it is one of the areas of our home that I love so much. It has so much personality. We've added a lot of color to the space, which I love. And it also holds all of our family board games. But the board games have gotten completely out of control. So you're coming with me as we go through and organize all of the board games so that they stay organized and everyone can find what game they want to play when they want to play it. So let's go. I'm Jessica, the Organized Mama, and I educate families on real life organizing that everyone in the family can do. In this video, we are breaking down how you can organize all of your board games for your family. All right, so our board game situation is in 3 different cabinets. It's these 2 in front of me and then the one right behind me. So we do have a lot of board games because we really enjoy playing them together. But as you can see, things are kind of scattered, pushed back all over the place. So I'm gonna take everything out and resort all of the board games. So let's go. All of the games are out. So now I have to sort them. Yeah, so there's a couple ways I can sort them, to be totally honest. Actually looking at the games and assessing the situation. We can do family games, individual games, grown-up versus kid games, partner games, because some are 2 people, like Mastermind, and Battleship are 2-player games. So I'm going to spread these out and see kind of what makes sense. Also thinking about how we play the games. Usually it's at least 3 people are playing the games at once. So maybe the 2 type of person game might not make the most sense unless I have a shelf for that. Maybe that's what we do. Yeah, so I'm gonna just have to start sorting all of these out and seeing what we have and all of that fun stuff. So I've divided all of the games up into kind of how we play, ages, and making it easy to get to. So in our 3 cabinets, the one back here is probably the hardest one to get to because of the chair. So those are going to be more of the grown-up games and boxes for some of our games. We have the box for Mancala that holds all of the marble pieces, so that can go there because it's the extra pieces. So this is going to kind of be the extra games and stuff will be in that one, and then I will go into these 2 cabinets, which are easier to get to, and organize the games that way. Okay, now in these 2 cabinets, let's go through the games, and the ones that I know that the kids play a lot, I'm gonna put on this side, and then they usually don't open up the other door. They usually pull through this one. So if we make it a little more difficult for them to kind of pull out games, things are gonna go all over the place and be super crazy. So let's start with some of the games that they love to play. Sorry, and Battleship. Racco. They love Harry Potter Wizards Chess. I also have a basket of all of these other kind of card games. These type of things. So I'm going to go through this and really declutter this entire basket, get rid of games that, we no longer play, are no longer appropriate for the kids, And then I'm going to store that here in the shelf. Now all of our games are decluttered and organized. So I decided to only stack the games 3 high. This way things aren't going to fall in the back and it's going to make it easier for the kids to grab the game on the bottom. I don't love turning the games on the side because I've found that pieces get lost really quickly. So we're just going to do 3 high and see how this goes. But by removing a lot of the games that we either didn't play or the kids have kind of like outgrown, we are going to be able to keep this a little more organized than it was before. So now it's your turn to go tackle the game closet or cabinets, wherever it is, and make sure that you're only keeping games you play. All of the pieces are there, and don't stack the piles too high to make sure that everyone can grab the game that they need instead of having things all fall in the back. Happy organizing! Love what you see? Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every Wednesday.